In this video, we are going to focus on the two consonant sounds B and P. I know they sound very similar, but they are actually different. And they are very important sounds in English. So I want you to be able to hear the difference and pronounce them differently. So let's take two example words. The first example word is bin. Now, can you hear the B sound? Bin. Now, the second example word is pin. Can you hear the difference? The P sound? Pin. Bin. Pin. I know they sound very similar, but they are different, and with practice, you will hear the difference, and you will be able to pronounce them differently. I promise you that. So let's get started. The first step is to know how to make these B and P sounds in English, so you can pronounce them correctly and you know the difference between the two sounds. And I'm going to teach you that. Also, guys, if you're serious about pronunciation, it's very important to know about the IPA spelling. You can also watch how I move my mouth, and of course, always try to repeat after me in this video. I'm sure you can master these sounds. So, let's do this. Okay, guys, let's now practice producing the sound B in English. So, what you're going to do, the first thing is that this B sound is voiced, which means that you're going to use your voice. So when you produce the sound, you are going to feel a vibration in your throat. And what you're going to do is basically push out the air with your lips. They should touch each other. So, B. Okay, please repeat the sound after me. B. 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 Let's now practice with the word bin. Please repeat after me. Bin. 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 Good. And now let's practice producing the sound P in English. So, P is basically going to be the exact same thing as the B sound, but it's unvoiced, which means that you are not going to use your voice. No vibration in the throat. You're just going to push out the air with your lips. No sound. So, P. Can you repeat after me? P. 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 Let's practice with the word pin. Repeat after me. Pin. 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 Good job. Okay, students, let's now practice with minimal pairs, words that sound very similar, but the actual sounds are different. They are very useful to help you hear the difference between the two sounds. So first, let's practice just the sounds, okay? And I want you to repeat after me. First, the B sound. B. 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 And now the P sound. Remember, unvoiced, okay? Watch my mouth. Repeat after me. P. 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 Good. Let's now practice both. Please repeat after me. B. P. B. P. B. P. Good. And let's now take our words, Please repeat after me. Bin, pin, bin, pin, bin, pin. Excellent, guys. Moving on. Let's now go through minimal pairs together. Remember to watch how I move my mouth and to repeat after me. Let's do this. Bear, pear, base, pace, bat, pat, batty, patty, bay, pay, bead, peed, beak, peak, bear, pear, beat, peat, bee, pea, beep, peep, beer, peer, belt, pelt, best, pest, bet, pet, big, pig, bill, pill, bit, pit, bitch, pitch, blade, played, bland, planned, blank, plank, blaster, plaster, blaze, plays, bleat, pleat, bleed, plead, bloom, plume, blot, plot, blunder, plunder, blush, plush, braise, praise, brat, prat, brawn, prawn, breach, preach, breast, pressed, brick, prick, bride, pride, boo, poo, ball, paw, bull, pull, burr, purr, but, put, butter, putter, buy, pie, cab, cap, cub, cup, lib, lip, pub, pup, rib, rip, robe, rope, tab, tap. Very good, guys. Let's now practice with a few sentences using these consonant sounds. The first sentence is, the bear cub plundered pears and butter. Can you repeat after me, guys? The bear cub plundered pears and butter. The second sentence is, the bride blushed at the proud preacher. Please repeat after me. The bride blushed at the proud preacher. Good. And finally, please pet the big pig. Repeat after me. Please pet the big pig. Great job, guys. Moving on. Let's now move on to listening practice. I'm now going to show you two words. I will say one of the two words, and I want you to listen very carefully and to tell me if this word is A or B. Let's get started. Let's start with our first two words. Now, which one do I say? A or B? Listen very carefully. Rope. A or B? One more time. Rope. Now, what do you think, guys? It's B. Rope. A would be pronounced robe. Okay. What about now? Bride. Bride. Is it A or B? It's A. Bride. B is pride. And then beak. Beak. It's A. Beak. B is peak. Breast. Breast. Which one is it? It's A. Breast. B is pressed. Preach. Preach. B, of course, preach. A is breach. Then I have bear. Bear. A or B? It's A, bear. B is pear. Now, cap. Cap. It's B. A would be cab. What about now? Cup. Cup. Is it A or is it B? It's B. Cup. A is cub. Then I have plays. Plays. Now what do you think? It's B. Plays. A is blaze. And finally, rib. Rib. It's A, rib. B is rib. I'm sure you did a great job. Excellent, students. Well, I know you now have a better understanding of the consonant sounds B and P in English. Please don't stop there. Keep practicing. It takes a lot of practice to master these sounds, but you can do it. And by practicing, you also train your ear to hear the difference between these consonant sounds. Please make sure to watch the next English pronunciation video as I keep talking about the different sounds in English so you can improve your skills. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you've liked it, show me your support. Click like, subscribe to the channel, put your comments below and share this video. See you!